Greedy markets respond irrationally during panic selling. Greedy markets respond irrationally during panic selling.
Air sensors alert residents to pollution spikes. Air sensors alert residents to pollution spikes.
Art house films often reward patient attentive viewers. Art house films often reward patient attentive viewers.
Monetary tightening contracts liquidity across interbank funding markets. Monetary tightening contracts liquidity across interbank funding markets.
She studied neurobiology to understand brain functions. She studied neurobiology to understand brain functions.
Desalination teams treat seawater to supply coastal towns. Desalination teams treat seawater to supply coastal towns.
Server clusters distribute workloads across redundant network paths. Server clusters distribute workloads across redundant network paths.
Hybrid cars combine combustion engines with electric motors. Hybrid cars combine combustion engines with electric motors.
Wildlife conservation efforts are crucial for ecological balance. Wildlife conservation efforts are crucial for ecological balance.
Ontic commitments underpin metaphysical system coherence assessments. Ontic commitments underpin metaphysical system coherence assessments.
Shadowy antagonists stalk protagonists across rain-slick rooftops. Shadowy antagonists stalk protagonists across rain-slick rooftops.
Money markets fluctuate during major political events. Money markets fluctuate during major political events.
Apartment maintenance schedules prevent unexpected repair emergencies. Apartment maintenance schedules prevent unexpected repair emergencies.
Own house gardeners cultivate produce, increasing household food security. Own house gardeners cultivate produce, increasing household food security.
Visa denials affect long-term career plans. Visa denials affect long-term career plans.
Stadium lights illuminate evening sports championship finals. Stadium lights illuminate evening sports championship finals.
Greedy executives hoard profits, ignoring employee welfare. Greedy executives hoard profits, ignoring employee welfare.
Textile chemists test dyes for color fastness and durability. Textile chemists test dyes for color fastness and durability.
Own house renovations sometimes need permits from local authorities. Own house renovations sometimes need permits from local authorities.
He studied astronomy to understand planetary movements better. He studied astronomy to understand planetary movements better.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.